Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well, and in this video I am going to show you how to install Microsoft Teams in Windows 11 laptop or computer. So many people find it hard to download the Microsoft Teams, so I am going to show you how you can easily install it in your computer or laptop. So for this, what you need to do is click on the start option here and make sure to search the Microsoft Store from here, and after that you have to click on it, and then you have to wait a couple of seconds and make sure that you are in the search option here, and here you have to search for the Microsoft team. I mean the Microsoft team. So let us search the Microsoft team option from here. Microsoft team, and here we got the Microsoft team, and you can simply click on the install, and then you can install it clearly, install it here clearly. And after that, what you need to do is, after installing it, if you would like to pin it to taskbar, then what you need to do is search for the application in the start button, then you can simply right click on it, then you can simply pin it to taskbar. Since I don't have installed the Microsoft team, I am just showing another app. You can follow the same app, same work process for the Microsoft team to pin it to taskbar. So you have to just simply type it, and then you have to click on, right click on it, then you have to pin it to taskbar. Click on the pin it to taskbar. After that, it will simply get pinned into the taskbar. So thank you very much for watching this video.